Do you want to speak English confidently? Today's stories will show you how easy and fun learning English can be.
Hello, friends.
Welcome back.
This is Simple English Lab.
Please like.
Please subscribe and please share. Today's topic is very useful.
What is the topic?
The topic is Tell me about yourself.
Oh, that is important.
I will start.
Okay, please go.
My name is Emma.
Hello, Emma.
I'm 22 years old.
22. Very nice.
I live in New York City.
Oh, New York.
I'm a student.
What do you study?
I study business.
Interesting.
I like reading books.
Good hobby.
I also like music.
Great. Okay, my name is Daniel.
Hello, Daniel.
I am 24 years old. I live in Los Angeles.
That's far from New York.
Yes, I am a teacher.
What do you teach?
I teach English.
Perfect.
I like basketball.
Fun sport.
I also enjoy cooking.
Delicious.
Friends, did you hear?
Say your age.
It is easy.
Say your city.
Say your name.
Say your study or job.
Say your hobbies.
Use short sentences.
Speak slowly.
Practice every day.
You will improve.
Daniel, let's talk about family.
Yes, family is important.
I will start.
Go ahead.
I live with my family.
Who is in your family?
I have a father.
Okay,
I have a mother.
nice.
I have one brother.
Oh, a brother.
And I have one sister.
Great.
My father is a doctor.
That's wonderful.
My mother is a teacher.
Very good.
My brother is a student.
Younger or older?
Younger.
Okay,
My sister is in college.
that's nice.
We live together
Where do you live?
in New York City.
Oh, yes,
We eat dinner together.
that sounds good.
We talk and laugh.
Now my turn.
Special. Okay, go.
My father works in an office.
Oh, okay, good.
My mother stays at home.
Very nice.
My sister is a nurse.
That's great.
We live in Los Angeles.
Big city.
Yes, we like to watch movies.
Fun.
We also like to travel.
Amazing.
Friends, family is simple to talk about.
Just say who is in your family
Say what they do.
and say what you do together.
That's all.
Daniel, let's talk about daily routine.
Good idea.
I wake up at 7.
Okay,
I brush my teeth.
important.
I wash my face.
Yes.
I eat breakfast,
What do you eat?
bread and eggs.
Simple and nice.
Then I go to class.
At the university?
Yes,
What time?
at 9 o'clock.
Okay,
I study until 1,
long time.
and then I eat lunch
Where?
in the cafeteria.
Good.
I come home at 3.
Then what?
I read books.
Nice habit.
I also watch TV.
Fun.
In the evening, I talk to my family.
That's good.
At night, I eat dinner
What time?
at 8 o'clock.
Okay,
After dinner, I listen to music.
relaxing.
Then I go to bed at 11. Good routine.
I wake up at 6. Yes, I go for a run. Then I shower. I eat breakfast.
Early, okay, what do you eat?
Oatmeal and fruit.
Healthy again.
Yes, then I go to work.
At school?
Yes, I teach.
Perfect.
I finish at 4.
Long day.
Then I play basketball.
Fun.
At night, I cook dinner.
Delicious.
Then I sleep at 10.
Good routine. Daniel, let's talk about hobbies.
Yes, hobbies are fun.
My hobby is reading.
What do you read?
I read novels.
Nice.
I also read magazines.
Interesting.
Another hobby is music.
Do you play?
I play guitar.
Wow.
I also sing.
Great.
Sometimes I draw pictures.
Artistic.
Yes, it makes me happy.
Yes, now me.
Okay,
My hobby is basketball. I play every week. I also cook.
what do you cook?
Pasta, soup, chicken.
Delicious.
Another hobby is movies.
What kind of movies?
Action and comedy.
Fun to watch.
Sometimes I write.
Right, what?
Short stories.
Wonderful.
Friends, hobbies are easy.
Just say what you like.
Use simple words.
Keep it short and enjoy. Daniel, let's talk about food.
Yes, I love food.
My favorite food is pizza.
Pizza is great.
I like cheese pizza.
Simple and tasty.
I also like veggie pizza. I
Healthy choice?
eat pizza once a week
Where?
at a small restaurant.
Nice.
Another favorite is pasta.
With sauce?
Yes, tomato sauce.
Delicious.
I also like ice cream.
What flavor?
Chocolate.
Now my turn.
Go ahead.
My favorite food is burgers.
Oh, yes,
I like chicken burgers.
tasty.
I also like beef burgers.
Very popular.
Another favorite is tacos.
Spicy.
Sometimes spicy.
Okay.
I like fruit too.
Which fruit?
Apples, bananas, oranges.
Healthy.
And dessert?
Yes,
I love cake.
chocolate cake.
Yes, the best.
Friends, talk about food simply. Say your favorite.
Say how often you eat.
Say where you eat and say why you like it. Daniel, let's talk about dreams.
Good idea.
My dream is to travel.
Where do you want to go?
I want to visit Paris.
France, very nice.
I also want to see London.
Beautiful city.
I want to learn new cultures.
That's wonderful.
I want to meet new people.
Exciting.
Another dream is to start a business,
What kind?
a bookstore.
Perfect for you.
I dream to help others.
Now my dream.
Yes, tell me.
My dream is to write a book.
That's amazing.
I want to write stories.
You can do it.
I also dream to travel.
Where to?
Japan.
Wonderful.
Another dream is to buy a house.
Big or small?
Small but beautiful.
Nice.
I also dream of helping students.
That is special.
Friends, dreams are simple to share.
Say what you want. Oh, say what you want to do. Today is Sunday.
Yes, Sunday is my free day.
Do you like Sundays?
Of course I love Sundays.
What do you usually do?
I go to the park.
The park? Nice.
Yes, I enjoy fresh air.
Tell me your routine.
Okay, I wake up at 8.
Not too early.
Yes, just right.
Then what?
I eat breakfast.
What do you eat?
Pancakes and coffee.
Delicious.
After breakfast, I walk to the park.
Is it near your home?
Yes, very near.
That's good.
I reach in 10 minutes.
Fast walk.
In the park, I see trees.
Green and tall.
I see flowers.
Colorful flowers.
I see people walking.
Families, children, friends.
I sit on a bench.
And relax.
I listen to music.
Calm and peaceful.
Sometimes I read a book.
Good idea.
Do you like the park, Emma?
Yes, I love it.
Big city.
Yes, the park is also big.
What do you do there?
We talk and laugh.
Nice. Fun time.
I also see people running.
Exercise is healthy.
Yes, some people ride bikes.
That looks fun.
Some kids play football.
Sports are good.
Sometimes I buy ice cream.
Yummy.
I sit near the lake.
Beautiful view.
Ducks swim in the water.
Cute ducks.
I feel happy. What do you feel in the park?
I feel calm.
Nature is good for us.
Yes, very good.
Do you meet people there?
Sometimes, yes.
Do you talk with them?
A little small talk.
That is nice.
Yes, friendly people.
When do you go back home?
Around noon.
What do you do after that?
I eat lunch.
Simple day, but nice.
Yes, very nice.
Friends, you can also talk like this.
Just say where you go. Say what you do. Simple, easy, clear. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe for more simple English stories.